Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I consider to be the best screenshot tool available, ShareX. It's user-friendly, fast, lightweight, and comes packed with comprehensive screenshot options. And on top of that, it's completely free and open source. First, let me show you how to get started with ShareX. Head over to getsharex.com or use the download link in the description below. Click on Download, then select Setup. Once downloaded, run the installer. You'll need to click Yes when prompted. Then check I accept the agreement and click Next. Complete the installation. Once finished, make sure Launch ShareX is checked and click Finish. Now, when you first launch ShareX, you'll see the main window displaying some essential hotkeys. To capture a region, use Ctrl+Print Screen. For a full screen capture, just press Print Screen. To capture the active window, or the window that has focus, use Alt+Print Screen. If you want to record your screen, use Shift+Print Screen. And if you need to record a GIF, use Ctrl+Shift+Print Screen. Before we dive in, let's customize a few settings to make ShareX work perfectly for you. Let's look at the After Capture tasks. These are actions that trigger automatically after taking a screenshot. By default, it will copy the screenshot to clipboard, save it as a file, and upload it to a host of your choosing, which I'll show you how to configure later. And there's also an option to open in the image editor. ShareX has an excellent built-in image editor. Tasks that appear in bold are currently active. You can disable or enable any task by just clicking on it. There are also after upload tasks, which are actions that run after your screenshot is uploaded. I will keep Copy URL to Clipboard option enabled just for this demonstration. In the Destinations section, you can choose where to upload your screenshots. The default service works fine, but you can also set up your own preferred platform like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive. Now, let's set up where your screenshots will be saved. Go to Application Settings, then navigate to Paths. By default, ShareX saves screenshots in Documents inside a folder called ShareX. If you want to set up a custom folder, check Use Custom Screenshot Folder and click Browse. I recommend creating a dedicated Screenshots folder in your Pictures directory. In general, you can show or hide the systray icon. There are some other additional settings worth checking out. In Task Settings, I recommend adjusting a few things. Under General, I like to uncheck the sound notification options. Under Image, I usually keep the default format, and I increase the GIF quality. Under Screen Recorder, you can adjust FPS for video and GIF recordings. You can also set up a delay if needed, but the default works well for most users. Now, let me show you how to take your first screenshot. Press Ctrl+Print Screen, then select the region you want to capture. On your first screenshot, ShareX will ask if you want to enable automatic uploads. I usually click No, but for this demonstration, I will click Yes. Keep in mind that you can change this option in the settings. Now, as you can see, the screenshot has been taken. If I go to a new tab and paste or just press Ctrl+V, you can see the link of the screenshot here. To find your saved screenshots, open File Explorer and go to your Pictures folder, then open the Screenshots folder we created earlier. ShareX automatically organizes your screenshots by creating folders for each year and month, making it easy to find your images. Your latest screenshot will be right there in the current month's folder. ShareX includes a powerful editor. To enable it, go to Application Settings, then navigate to Integration. Check Show Edit with ShareX button in Windows Explorer context menu. After that, you can right-click any screenshot and select Edit with ShareX. In the editor, you can add text from here. Create highlights like this. And make quick edits. Save your changes by pressing Ctrl+S. If we now go back and open our screenshot, you will see the edits that we made have been saved. ShareX is highly customizable. You can create new shortcuts and modify existing ones under shortcut settings to match your workflow perfectly. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.